Okay, today we have a research assignment where our Apple advisors here, they're going to be watching us work, annotating two docs before we start our final research project on the Indian Removal Act and the Trelleteer. So part one is the Indian Removal Act. We're going to scroll down to the document below, and the instructions for part one of this says to highlight or underline 7 important facts on this first paragraph of the Indian Removal Act. You see right below I have one thing already highlighted. If I decided to want to change that, I'll go ahead and click the trash can there and hit OK, and then highlight has disappeared. So quickly, let's go back and remember how do we highlight. We click on the highlight key. We choose a color to highlight with. I'm going to choose yellow. We have a pink background here, so yellow, orange, green, or blue are fine for the highlighting, but not pink because it'll be hard to see what you've highlighted. So click the highlight key there. I'm just going to highlight this first sentence right there. And remember, you just do this 6 more times to have a total of 7 important facts that you found from reading this document. If you'd rather underline, click on this button right here. It kind of looks like a paintbrush or a pen. Click on a color. I'm going to choose red. Click on the line style. I'm going to click on the medium size style. And you'll see that little key right there. You're going to go ahead and just underline right beneath the sentence that you want to say is important. And just like the highlighting, if you choose to underline, you do this 7 times. You find your 7 important facts. Now let's go down to the section where you have to do a little bit of writing. For number 2, write a 5 to 7 sentence summary on the Indian Removal Act using your annotations. And number 3, what do you think? Write a 2 to 3 sentence explaining how you feel about the Indian Removal Act and why you feel this way. So that is your opinion. But remember how to write your information. You click on the T, click on a color. I always prefer to do red. It's much easier to see and grade on red. You have your text box appear there, and you begin writing your answers right below here. Make sure it's please 5 to 7 sentences total for this section here. Same thing for your personal opinion. Click on the T, click on the box, and write down what you think about that. Any further questions, please raise your hand and I'll come by and help you out. Good luck, everyone.